Hello there and a very good morning to everyone. So just going to do a preview ahead of the headline bit of data today. So that's the US non-farm payroll number for July. Firstly, however, it's just worth bearing in mind there has been a lot of chatter in the market today that the ECB may hold a press conference. Does seem rather unlikely considering the ECB press conference we had in yesterday's session. However, a bit of speculation they may talk about the ESM and EFSF and whether it will be activated into buying bonds in the secondary market. Also, we have a Spanish cabinet meeting followed by a press conference from the Spanish PM Rajoy just 45 minutes before the non-farm payroll numbers. That's at 12:45 London. Again, speculation that they may ask for aid from the EFSF in order to buy their government bonds. So that chatter just swirling around the markets at the moment. Worth bearing in mind considering that event is likely to happen around the same time as non-farm. But in terms of the data, expected today at plus 100,000, with the range not too far reaching, but between 50, that's a build of 50, and plus 165,000. As quite often the case, but especially now considering those meeting decisions that we had out of the FOMC on Wednesday, any sort of major miss could re-spark talk of further QE. There was a bit of anticipation around today's number in that if it is a big miss, then the Fed may opt for QE at their September meeting, so worth bearing that in mind. And also any massive beat could see risk appetite back in the markets once again. Now, just in terms of that figure and related indicators, we have seen the ADP employment number. That came in slightly better than expected in recent times, so could be an indicator for today's reading. However, employment constituents of several manufacturing indices, notably Chicago PMI, have been pretty poor on the downside, so some mixed data there. So again, that's expected at 1:30 London time, and that will be the headline bit of data. Again, there is that market talk of a potential ECB meeting and could be potential EC or EFSF buying of peripheral nation bonds. But for the time being, that is enough from me. We'll have a video for you a bit later on. But in the meantime, have yourself a great afternoon and good luck with non-farms.